I gotta say, alright, I'm very, very fucking excited for what is upcoming. Oops. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in once again for another fucking video. And as you guys can see, we have two more Under Armour Curry 7s. This colorway is supposed to be releasing November 29th, 2019. So look out for that. Without being said, man, let's get right into this. Alright, so first things first, I want to give a huge shout out to the Under Armour Canada for always looking out for me. This is my first early unboxing. Shit, but ooh, damn. Alright, so you guys can see already on the thumbnail, this is a very, very special colorway. I believe this is the first time they are doing a collab. As you guys can see, this is a all white box Currys, again, Curry 7. Yeah, let's give you guys a first look onto this. Bam! Look at this. Comes with this, I guess it's like a big ass retro card. Check it. Same thing that says on the box. Stephen Curry, 2 shoes per container, serving size 1 pair. Amount of per serving calories 30. You dig? Total games ruined. 100%. So this is not bad. All right. Get into the details and stuff like that. Paper. Yeah, it's got the paper. Woo. Woo. Boom. These are fucking clean. Let's pull this out of the box. Oh my god. Yes. Candy. I'm not really sure if it comes with it, but the paper is not normal like the usual ones that comes with it. Comes with this one right here. Sour Patch Kids. Now, put that down. And that's one of them. This is bright as fuck, man. I guess this is the red one, the cherry or strawberry, whatever it may be. Look how nice that is. This is a sick colorway. So on the back part of it, the pull tab, it's got the Sour Patch Kids on there. Also, all over the insole, inner lining. This is sick. So on one side, the little details, like on one side it'll say sweet, and the other side it says sour. Clean, man. Okay, the next one. The other one. Let's see this one now. Same thing. Oh, size 10 for me. White Under Armour box. Just like the other one, it comes with this. Special paper. Bam! This is the other colorway. So I'm guessing they're doing 2 colorways for it. This is the other one. Let's take out the insole on this. Alright, let's take out the insole. Well, it's just like the other pair. This one says sweet. That's pretty sick right there. The colorway is really hella bright, man. So this is the green pair. Look at how overall sick. So let's see. This is the insole. Both pairs come in an insole like this. So pretty sick, guys. Pretty fucking sick. I just wish that they would have done something else, like, you know, Sour Patch Kids somewhere around here. You know, I wish that we would have seen Steph wearing one of these pairs now. But unfortunately, everybody knows that, yo, he's injured with a broken hand. But I've seen Luka Doncic been wearing Under Armour, so that would be interesting to see up and coming superstar wear a pair of these, the Currys, you know. These are pretty fucking sick. Here, both of these are releasing on November 29th for $140 USD. So make sure you look out for that, guys. Look out for that. Personally, for me, I would go with the red one. This pair right here, just because fuck man, my favorite color is the cherry one or a strawberry one on that from Sour Patch Kids. So let me know in the comment below. Leave up you guys which pair you guys like. So that is it for today's video, guys. I just want to give you guys a quick look into what is upcoming for the Curry 7s. And to be honest, I'm very excited, man. Although we're not going to be seeing stuff rocking these shits. All good. We just need more colorways to drop. Very excited for the upcoming season for Under Armour. We need more shit like this. With that being said, man, that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in once again for another unboxing and showing you guys a little bit of what's upcoming for Under Armour. But overall, the colorways I'm very excited about. Thank you once again to the Under Armour Canada fam for sending these over, giving me an early look into what is upcoming. Follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't already. You know, get me to 23K. I'll do a giveaway, man. I'm gonna do a giveaway. With that, man, thank you once again for everybody that's watching my video. I appreciate everyone that tuned in every time I drop a video. Stay tuned for more. Give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the video. Also comment down below which pair you guys like the most. The green pair, the lime green pair, yeah, sick. Or this pair. Personally for me, man, like I said, this does it for me. Right here. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Until next time, guys. What up? Until next time, guys. Peace.